guys, this is Hichan, and I guess I'm doing this vlog again. Today that's a little bit different because tomorrow we'll be celebrating a festival, and the festival is Hari Raya. It's a festival that we celebrate after a full month of fasting, that is Ramadan. So, you clean the house, you make everything tidy, you chop here, chop there, some onions, some garlic, some chicken, some beef, whatever it is that you want to serve people on Hari Raya. And you go to other people's house and celebrate Raya with them. It's a very joyful event. I think it's the same with Christmas. It's the same with Chinese New Year. So yeah, I'm really looking forward for this. Tomorrow is 8th of August. So yeah. So I just finished like a couple of hours ago. I'm resting right now, that's why I'm doing this vlog. A couple of hours ago I was chopping, like I said, chopping some onions, some garlic. My hand, I cannot feel them at the moment. And I finished cleaning my room yesterday, so I'm just gonna show you guys. You see? Except for that. It's very rare for you guys to see my clean room. And just so you know, I'm recording from my cell phone because I have a little bit problem with my camera. Just look. Hi, this is my bathroom. I have not cleaned it yet. So yeah, I just want to take a little bit time to say Assalamualaikum everybody. I'm Shakira and I want to wish you guys Selamat Hari Raya Aidil Fitri, Maaf Zahir dan Batin, and I hope you guys have a wonderful fasting month, and I really hope you guys have fun in this festive season. And yeah, I'm still not good with words, so and I promise I will try to do more videos in the future. I'm very sorry about the very lack of video. I'm fasting, but that cannot be the reason why it's a lack of videos. So yeah, bye bye. The reason why the camera is coming closer because I'm really messed. It's a little bit dark, isn't it? Bye bye, guys.